Hi, dear Scorpios. A very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading from 1st of June till 10th of June. Okay, so I'll tap into a partner's energy and your energy, and we will see what is coming towards you till the 10th of June. Okay, so keep in mind these are general love readings. This might or might not resonate with you. Okay, let's see. Let's start. Your partner's current energy, Scorpios, right now is your partner's current energy, Scorpios. Okay, your partner's current energy, Scorpios, right now is Five of Cups. Your partner is missing you deeply. They are regretting something. They are in deep loss, deep sense of loss, deep sense of regret, deep sense of disappointment, missing you like hell. Wow. Right now, they are missing you like hell. Whether they are communicating with you or not, whether they are talking to you or not, or whether they are telling you this or not, but they are right now missing you very much. They are in grief, some kind of grief or loss they are feeling. Let's clarify. Let's clarify. Seven of Wands, the Page of Pentacles, and the Two of Pentacles. I feel like I should shuffle again. I don't know why. Intuitively, I felt like I should shuffle again. Okay, let's see. Gosh. Okay, so now, yes, the Sun, the Ten of Pentacles, and the Five of Cups again. Now the cards are talking to me. So I feel like this person was very happy with you. This person felt like this is a very committed long-term relationship and everything is going very good. But suddenly there was something that happened and things didn't work out and they lost you. Five of Cups is clarified by the Five of Cups from another deck. So I use Rider-Waite and I use Easy Tarot. Lots of people keeps on asking me like this, so I'm telling you in between. So I feel like they felt very happy with you. They felt like you're their family. You are a stable energy to them. You are a stable partner to them. But there was something that missed. There was something that happened in the past, and this guy lost you. And now this guy or girl, whosoever it is, deeply regret and deeply disappointed. This is what their current energy is. Let's see, Scorpios, your current energy right now. What is your current energy right now? Scorpios, your current energy right now is Temperance. You are being very patient and honest with yourself. Temperance. So I feel like, Scorpios, you are very patient right now. You are trying to balance your emotions. You are trying to balance your life. You are not in any kind of hurry. You are being very patient and flexible and very hopeful that everything is working in your favor. Right, you are in this angelic phase of your life right now where everything is like, taking care of it themselves. So everything is happening according to the universal plan and you are being very patient with it. Beautiful energy. Let's clarify the temperance further. Let's clarify the temperance further. Judgment, Nine of Pentacles, and the Seven of Swords. Okay, so I feel like you have already forgiven this particular person. Okay, so you are in this angelic state of mind right now and you are forgiving this forgiving this person, giving them another chance to live or giving them another chance to think about what they did wrong. And you are very stable right now. You are in this energy of I'm being very stable, and there is some kind of secret that came out to light. Might be there was some kind of secret that you uh, came across, and that is why you are acting detached from this particular person. And after this secret came out, you are just trying to balance your emotions. You are just trying to be very patient with yourself, very calm with yourself, because you are right now forgiven this particular person, whether they seek forgiveness from you or not, whether they asked for it or not, but you are forgiving this person anyways. And you are being very mature and very, what should I say, you are acting very mature and you are acting very calm and peaceful, uh, because this particular person because of this particular person you are feeling all these things right now. Okay, because they did something to you, and instead of walking away, instead of creating a drama, you chose to be silent, you chose to be patient, and you chose to forgive them. Nice, beautiful energy, Scorpios. Okay, let's see. What this particular person feels for you, Scorpios. What this particular person feels for you. The Hierophant. You could be dealing with the Taurus. So this particular person feels like you should be their partner. You should be their long-term partner. You should be their husband or wife, or you should be their spouse, or at least a long-term committed relationship with you. This is what they are feeling for you. They are feeling like you are their spouse, you are their partner, you are a marriage material. Let's clarify. This is what they feel for you. Beautiful spouse energy, beautiful loving energy of marriage. They want to have a marriage with you. They feel like they should marry you, and this marriage should be a traditional one where both the parties parents and everybody is involved. Let's clarify. The Magician, the Page of Cups, and the Wheel of Fortune. Yes, this person is manifesting you back because they are developing new feelings for you. They want to tell you some kind of good news regarding these new feelings, and they are, feeling like the table should turn. That fate should be with them. The universe should be with them. The luck should be by their side. So right now, this person is in this manifesting zone because they feel like you are a marriage material, you are a commitment material, and that is why right now they are trying to manifest beautiful love feelings from your side as well, and they are leaving everything on the universe, leaving everything on their spirit guides, on their angels, or whosoever you are connected with. So basically, this person is feeling like you are a marriage material, and there should be a marriage between you guys. What this person wants from you, let's see. What this person wants from you. Okay, what this person wants from you. The Chariot. This person wants you to be very, very determined, to be very, very successful, to be very, very happy. Might be this person wants you to move on for the time being, okay? And to go on your path, find your own path. So I feel like this person wants you to be successful, confident, and determined in whatever thing you are doing right now in your life. This person wants good things from you. Okay, this person don't want you to sulk in isolation or cry or be in a negative shade right now, or just because there was something that was not working out in this connection. This person is not wanting any kind of bullshit from you or a negative energy for you, but they are carrying a lot of beautiful energy for you. They are feeling like you should be happy, you should move on, you should be successful in your life. Let's see. Let's clarify the Chariot further. It will give us more insight. King of Cups, the Chariot again, and the Six of Wands. Yes, definitely. They want this particular person wants you to be emotionally stable in your life, emotionally mature in your life, and move on towards your success, move on towards your fame, move on towards your business or job or whatever you are doing in your life, and they want you to be successful and get recognized and get fame and name by whatever you are doing. So this person is carrying very beautiful energy towards you, and this person wants you to be happy and successful and victorious in whatever thing you are doing right now. Basically, this person right now wants you to shift your focus on your energy right now, on your work, on your name, on your fame, on your victory, on your promotion, on your job, or something that is very close to your heart. So this person is carrying very beautiful energy for you in what they want from you. This is beautiful, Scorpios. I feel like you should forgive this. I feel like you have already forgiven this person, but you should let them know this. And I feel like you should give this person another chance if possible, Scorpios. You know better. But yes, this person deserves a beautiful chance again because this person carries lots of beautiful energy for you. Okay, let's see what is coming towards you till 10th of June from this person. Three of Pentacles. So I feel like there's some kind of business offer or job offer or something like this coming towards you from this particular person. They're helping you. They want you to help you grow in your business or something like that. So they are coming up with a beautiful offer of job or promotion or something like that. A creative work towards your side, or simply it could also mean that this person is ready to put in the effort, put in the energy from their side. They're coming towards you and they are ready to put in the effort and put in the energy from their side in this connection. Let's clarify further. Let's see what is coming towards you. The Emperor, the Six of Pentacles, and the Tower. Okay. Give me some seconds to absorb this energy. So I feel like you could be dealing with an Aries. So this person have made their decision. They want to have equal give and take in this connection, and this is kind of a sudden realization thing from them for them, or this is kind of a shock for them. It could be also possible. I don't see any kind of third party interference here. I don't see any kind of third party doing any kind of shit in between you guys. But I feel like this person have made their mind. This person have took the decision that they want equal give and take in this relationship. They will put in the effort, put in the energy from their side as much as possible, and they are going to realize it suddenly. Okay, this is a shocking news for them. This is a shocking feeling for them because might be this person was not feeling like this to come towards you or talk to them or talk to you in this manner of helping you in your growth or something like that. But yes, this person is coming towards you with this energy of helping you and in your promotion, in your job, in your work, and plus they want to put in the effort, put in the energy from their side to make this connection work out further in the future. Okay, so Scorpios, thank you so much for tuning in. This is Anjali Tarot. I hope you enjoyed this reading. Do let me know in the comment section below if it is resonating with you. God bless you. Namaste. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye. Take care. Namaste.